Chapter 8: Cyber Safety and Security. Concept note: Cyber safety and security means protecting yourself and your information while using the internet and digital devices. Learning outcomes: children will be able to know how to keep your computer safe from cyber attacks, understand the importance of file backup, understand about protecting computer from illegal access, know the uses of antiviruses. Neha: Hey Tia, do you know much about cyber safety and security? Tia: Not really, Neha. What's it all about? Neha: Well, it's about staying safe while using the internet and protecting our personal information from online threats. Tia: That sounds important. How can we do that? Neha: One way is by creating strong and unique passwords for our online accounts. It makes it harder for hackers to guess them. We should also be cautious about what we share online, like our personal information and photos. Sometimes sharing too much can lead to problems. Tia: Thanks for the explaining, Neha. Neha: You're welcome, Tia. Let's learn more about cyber safety and stay protected online. We use the internet for many things in our daily lives. It is like a vast playground where we chat with friends, explore new ideas, play games, and even learn new skills. It is also where we shop, manage our bank accounts, and access a world of information. Just like the real world, the digital world offers incredible opportunities, but it also has its share of challenges. One of the most important challenges in this digital realm is ensuring our safety and security. Cyber safety and security. Cyber safety is the safe and responsible use of information and communication technology. It is about keeping information safe and secure, but also about being responsible with that information, being respectful to other people online, and using good internet etiquette. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and programs from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. Computer maintenance. If you want your computer to work properly, you must follow computer maintenance practices. Here are practical tips for computer maintenance and performance improvement. Clean your hard drive. Use a program like CCleaner or the disk cleanup tool, accessed by right-clicking on the hard drive and selecting Properties, to remove unnecessary files and free up space on your computer. Prevent overheating. If your computer's fan is working hard, consider opening your laptop to remove dust and debris, preventing it from overheating. This should be done every 2 to 3 years. Additionally, apply fresh, high-quality thermal paste to your CPU to maintain lower temperatures. Maintain adequate free space. Ensure that your hard drive always has at least 25% of its capacity available. If it falls below this threshold, consider upgrading to a larger drive. Reinstall Windows for performance issues. When your PC significantly slows down, a recommended solution is to reinstall the Windows operating system. This process is relatively straightforward and can resolve many performance-related problems. Keyboard cleaning. Periodically clean your keyboard using a dry toothbrush, then gently remove dirt. Protecting your computer from illegal access. Taking steps to prevent unauthorized computer access is important for a wide number of reasons, including preventing others from installing spyware and deleting your important files, or even creating viruses. By making changes to your computer to prevent unauthorized access, you're also protecting your personal privacy. Here are some necessary steps you must take to properly secure your computer and prevent others from accessing your files on both the Windows and Macintosh operating systems. Set up password protection. Enable password protection on your computer if it is not already set up. Make sure you are using a personal password you have chosen versus the default password. While creating your password, be sure to incorporate numbers or special characters to make it difficult for others to guess. Change your password often at least every 2 months. Do not leave your password written down in a place where others can easily find it. Install a hardware or software firewall. Install antivirus software or a spyware protection program. Use caution while reading email. Learn to lock your computer. If you need to step away from your computer for a break and want to keep it powered on, lock your computer so that it requires a password, preventing unauthorized access. Backup files. Backup is the process of creating a copy of the data on your system that you can use for recovery in case your original data is lost or corrupted. Computers use drives to store your data. The constant reading and writing of data will eventually lead to drive failure due to mechanical failure or drive degradation, usually without warning. There are also other situations which may result in data loss, such as power failures, system or file corruption, viruses, ransomware or malware attacks. It is therefore important to store a copy of your data somewhere else as a safety net or form of redundancy. Different ways to store the backup are external hard drives. External hard drives are one of the most common storage mediums, are easy to set up, relatively cheap, provide multiple storage size options, are portable, and are usually large enough to store a lot of data. USB flash drives. Thumb drives or USB flash drives are plug-and-play, ultra-portable, inexpensive, and durable. They are good for transporting data between locations efficiently. However, they are also prone to being lost or stolen, have a low storage capacity, and certain higher-end models are more expensive. Disk media, CD or DVD, ROM, and Blu-ray. Disk media is a dying storage medium, although there are still some people who use them. They are cheap, portable, and can be used for off-site storage. However, they have limited storage capacity, a short shelf life, and are considerably slower than hard or flash drives. Network Attached Storage, NAS. A NAS device utilizes an array of storage drives to create redundancy and a larger combined storage. NAS device is connected to the network for shared access. The storage drives used in NAS are usually sold separately, so it may be costly to set up. However, NAS devices offer better data redundancy, drive failure protection in real time, and performance using RAID configurations. Cloud backup. Storing your data on the cloud is the latest trend in backup technology. Data stored on cloud services is always accessible from any internet-connected device. Cloud storage is off-site, so it keeps your data safe from disasters. There are several cloud services available, and most cloud services provide a limited amount of online storage for free. A few cloud services: Amazon S3, Google Storage, Google Drive, Google Photos, Microsoft Azure. Other maintenance techniques. If the performance of your computer seems to have become sluggish or your computer shuts down unexpectedly, it may be time to perform some basic computer maintenance. We suggest you perform these maintenance procedures periodically to help your computer perform as well. Installing current operating system updates, clearing the cache in your internet browsers, maintaining current antivirus software, maintaining current malware protection software, Windows running disk cleanup. Malware. Malware is a collective term for various malicious software including viruses, adware, spyware, browser hijacking software, and fake security software. Once installed on your computer, these programs can seriously affect your privacy and your computer's security. For example, malware is known for relaying personal information to advertisers and other third parties without user consent. Some programs are also known as for containing worms and viruses that cause a great deal of computer damage. Types of malware. Virus. Possibly the most common type of malware, viruses attach their malicious code to clean code and wait for an unsuspecting user or an automated process to execute them. Like a biological virus, they can spread quickly and widely, causing damage to the core functionality of systems, corrupting files, and locking users out of their computers. They are usually contained within an executable file. Worms. A computer worm is a standalone malware computer program that replicates itself in order to spread to other computers. It often uses a computer network to spread itself, relying on security failures on the target computer to access it. Spyware. Spyware, as its name suggests, is designed to spy on what a user is doing. Hiding in the background on a computer, this type of malware will collect information without the knowledge of the user knowing, such as credit card details, passwords, and other sensitive information. Trojans. Just like Greek soldiers hid in a giant horse to deliver their attack, this type of malware hides within or disguises itself as legitimate software. Acting discreetly, it will breach security by creating backdoors that give other malware variants easy access. Ransomware. Also known as careware, ransomware comes with a heavy price, able to lock down networks and lock out users until a ransom is paid. Ransomware has targeted some of the biggest organizations in the world today with expensive results. Antivirus. Antivirus software is a type of program designed and developed to protect computers from malware like viruses, computer worms, spyware, botnets, rootkits, keyloggers. Antivirus programs function to scan, detect, and remove viruses from your computer. There are many versions and types of antivirus programs that are in the market. However, the prime objective of any antivirus program is to protect computers and remove viruses once detected. Types of antivirus software. Checkpoint. The Checkpoint anti-malware software blade efficiently detects and removes malware from laptops and desktops with a single scan. Viruses, spyware, keystroke loggers, trojans, and rootkits are identified using signatures, behavior blockers, and heuristic analysis. Kaspersky Labs. Kaspersky Free uses award-winning security technologies and automatically receives real-time data about new threats to help you protect your PC from a range of digital dangers. AVG. Free antivirus software just got even better. It now includes real-time security updates, scans for both malware and performance issues, and even catches malicious downloads before they reach your PC. Firewall. A firewall is a network security device, either hardware or software-based, which monitors all incoming and outgoing traffic, and based on a defined set of security rules it accepts, rejects, or drops. Accept. Allow the traffic. Reject. Block the traffic but reply with an unreachable error. Drop. Block the traffic with no reply. A firewall establishes a barrier between secure internal networks and outside untrusted networks such as the Internet. Flashback. Computer security is the protection of your computer system from external source. If the computer is working hard, it means its fan is overheating. Clean it. Set a password, install firewall, install antivirus, lock your computer to protect from illegal access. Computers use drives to store data or backup like USB, CD, external hard drives, etc. Malware is a malicious software including viruses, adware, spyware, browser hijacking software, and take security software. Types of malwares are viruses, worms, spywares, trojans, and ransomwares. Antivirus software is a type of program designed and developed to protect computers from malware.